Most freelancers spend 45 minutes writing a proposal and still lose the job to someone who charged less. What if you could write a better proposal in under 10 minutes, one that actually wins, using AI? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact ChatGPT prompt I use to write high-converting freelance proposals. Step by step, no fluff, and you can copy this system today. Before we get into it, quick context. Freelancers lose proposals, not because they're unqualified, but because their proposals sound generic. The client reads 20 proposals that all say, "I'm passionate about your project," and they all blur together. AI fixes this, not by writing your proposal for you, but by helping you write faster, sound more professional, and personalize each proposal in a way that's almost impossible to do manually. Here's what we're covering today. The 3 things every winning proposal must have. The exact AI prompt to write it in 10 minutes. A live demo so you can see it in action. Let's go. Most freelancers get these wrong. Number 1. Lead with the client's problem, not your experience. Number 2. Show a specific result, not just effort. Number 3. Make it easy to say yes. Clear next step, no confusion. A bad proposal says, "Hi, I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of experience." A good proposal says, "Your landing page is losing conversions because the CTA isn't clear. I've fixed this exact problem for 3 similar SaaS companies. Here's how I'd approach yours." See the difference? The second one shows you understand their problem. That's what gets you hired. Okay, let's open ChatGPT. Here's the prompt I use. I'll walk you through each part. You are an expert freelance proposal writer. I need you to write a personalized winning proposal for a freelance job posting. Here is the job posting. Paste the client's job description here. My background. 2 to 3 sentences about your relevant experience or skills. Write a proposal that opens by addressing the client's specific problem or goal, explains briefly how I would solve it, ends with a clear, low-pressure call to action, uses a confident but conversational tone, and stays under 200 words. Do not use phrases like "I am passionate about" or "I would love to work with you." Now, don't just copy-paste this directly. Read it, tweak anything that doesn't sound like you, and add one personal detail the AI couldn't know. That's what makes it feel human. That's what makes it win. 3 quick things to make this even better. 1. Save this prompt as a template. Use a free tool like Notion or even just a Google Doc. Paste it every time. Swap out the job description and your background. Done. 2. Run 2 versions with slight variations and use the one that feels more natural for that specific client. 3. Always end your proposal with a question. Something like, "Would it help if I shared a quick outline of how I'd approach your project?" It invites a reply without being pushy. That's the full system. Write better proposals, faster, using AI as your co-writer, not a replacement. If this helped you, subscribe, because every week I'm sharing exactly how freelancers can use AI to work smarter, earn more, and stop competing on price. Next week, I'm showing you how to use AI to set your freelance rates, so you stop undercharging. Don't miss it. Drop a comment below. What's the hardest part of writing proposals for you? I read every single one.